Hi Priyanka.
Hey, hi.
Welcome to Tali Tarka.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so this is your first TV show.
Yes, it is my first TV
So
show.
introduce yourself and your role in Sovereign Google Topper of the Year.
I am Priyanka Sharma. Originally, I'm from Delhi. And born and brought up. But I've been in Bombay for the last 4 years. I did a reality show with MTV, then I did few TV commercials and print, and this is my first stint with acting, and I'm very excited. I hope people love to hate my character.
I'm sure if you be bitchy enough, I'm sure that'll work perfectly.
So yeah, I'm giving my fingers crossed. I'm very excited because the team is new and they're all young, fresh people, and it'll be so much fun. It'll be more play than work here. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to it.
Great. Now tell us, how did you get the role, and what is your role all about?
Okay, how I got the role. Okay, there's a very interesting story. There were several look tests, but my final look test was so difficult. Like at least I was so close to crumble under pressure, because I was supposed to go so out of my way to be mean and very arrogant and bitchy. So they were like, there were a lot of retakes, and I kept getting a lot of grief from the writer and all the other people, the creative head and all. I was this close to giving up, but I think somehow the voice inside me did not let me do that, and thank God for that. And here I am sitting in front of you. The character is somebody very stylish. She's really smart. She's street smart. She's ambitious, and to the extent that she thinks no end of herself, and she thinks she's the queen bee around in the college, and everybody is secondary to her. And hence she treats everyone the way she treats everybody. And also she's a cultural captain, so she has all that power backing her up as well. So yeah, that's what it's all about.
Great. Now, in terms of the challenges, what do you expect? Is Ria anything like you, or are you going to face anything in terms of trying to portray the arrogance and the bitchiness? Are you going to have to draw from somewhere? Are you going to take some reference points?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's going to be quite challenging because I'm so not like Ria. I am a very different person from Ria, and being mean and selfish comes last on my agenda. I'm the kind who, if somebody says something mean, okay, I'll sit under the carpet and I'll cry over it, that's about it. I might show and portray, that I'm not affected with it because that's the way I have been brought up, not to show your weaknesses. But yeah, I do take things to heart, so I think I'll have to work really hard. But being born and brought up in Delhi, a metropolitan city, and where teenage is hard for everybody and you get bullied and all that jazz. So yeah, I think all those things I'm going to take reference from, but also a lot of films and a lot of English movies. All the college-centric films have this one particular mean girl who makes everyone's life hell. So I think that'll be my character reference for sure. I'll have a lot of tips from there, I'm sure.
Right, we wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
That you be the queen bee of bitchiness in the show, of course, and that you do really, really well.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Priyanka.